Had to import an image into an existing Photoshop document. So let's assume that I've gone to Google and I found an image that I want to put in my Photoshop document, and I've downloaded that image to my desktop or someplace on my computer that I can pretty easily find it. Okay? There are several methods to do this, and I will show you the first method. I'm going to go down I'm using a Mac. I'm going to go down to Finder. If you're on a Windows PC, go down to that Windows icon in the lower left corner and open that and find your picture that way. I'm going to go to Finder, Desktop, and here's the picture that I downloaded. And with this open now, I'm simply going to drag that file, that picture, onto my Photoshop document. And there it is. Anytime you do anything in Photoshop, remember to click the check mark up here, because basically when I do an operation, it's temporary until I do the check mark, and that makes it editable. Okay, so there we go. Notice how that when I bring that picture into my Photoshop document, it now appears as a layer in my list of layers for this document. And this will be the same with all of the methods. Okay, so let's get rid of that. I'll show you a second method, and let's go to File, Place Embedded. Again, we're going to find the image that we want to place. There it is. I'll place that. Same kind of thing. Click my check mark, and there's my wall background picture ready to be edited within the Photoshop document. Get rid of that. And there's one other method that we can use, and that's File, Open. Once again, find that picture. This is why you need to find a place where you can find the picture. Open it. And notice now it opens in a new tab up here. These are tabs. It opens in a new tab as a different Photoshop document. So how do we deal with that? Well, we can just grab the layer from over here, drag it, and hover over top of the tab. That's the document in which I want to place this image. Notice that I haven't let go of the mouse yet, and then drop it in your document. In this method, it comes in a little bit smaller sometimes, and that's just all you need to do is just stretch it out. Say I want to make this image my background, like a nice wall background. I'll do that, and I'm going to click the check mark again. And there's my image, which I've set as I'm using as a background in this Photoshop document.